camera.
Look down. And we are recording. Let's see. This way. Not as good as Joe. Joe's kid's much better than me. Joe's calling. Hey dude.
Hello.
Yo, what's up?
Hello. Yeah, shall we go?
Let's just ride around. I'm interested in this new chest setup. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna go and ride fast around that bend with horizon lock on, and let's see how it looks compared to without horizon lock. Alright, so this is linear with horizon leveling on. Yeah.
Okay, shall we go?
I don't feel so, yeah. Actually, wait. If you want the bars to be there in the video, recording.
Okay.
I'll be in front of you.
Okay.
Say there's a shop on the left side. Because it's Sunday, I guess only the bakeries will be open. Let's stop over here. Yeah. Let us stop this.
Okay. Yeah. Those bumps.
I think you should watch this movie when it's Malayalam. But I don't know. It's kind of like the name is Neelagash and Patakada is two on the boat.
What?
Blue sky, green land, no, green sea,
Yeah.
red land. Did you get it? Blue sky,
Green sea,
green sea,
red.
red land.
I didn't get it.
Yeah, Neelagasham Pattakada. It's actually good.
Wow, look at the clouds, man. They look so nice.
What are the stories like? He'll go in search of his girlfriend. He's living somewhere in the Himalaya or somewhere near over there.
The girlfriend lives in the Himalayas.
They actually like haven't seen for so long, so he tried to go over there on his bike. So suddenly he had one best friend also at that time. He also joined the ride in between.
Oh.
So he'll ask like, where are you going? He knows. It's his best friend, so he knows that he's going to meet her. So he's like, Himalaya. Oh, Himalaya. Nice. What plans? Hashish. World's best banana tree.
What is that?
That's a distance.
Oh.
It's like
Just make up an excuse.
Yeah. And then they start going for a ride. They both in Royal Enfield Bullet. The same one. With riding jacket, riding the run-on. So fun to see.
Sounds fun.
In between stunts, they'll do like this. Just like, I feel it's just the same vibe of the movie right now.
Oh.
Two riders going together.
Yeah, actually, yeah. It feels like
A long ride.
just the motorbike sort of thing.
We really need to go long.
Dude, what's the car doing
In the
here?
morning.
How did a car get here? What?
That way.
That is too small. Oh yeah, there's one. Do you want to go that way? No, I think they'll chase us out. Last time me and Ashwin went there. They chased us out of there.
What?
Last time me and Ashwin went past that blue roof. No, there's a way out. They told us please go.
Yeah, I know.
Nicely.
I actually gone when they
Long time back, like 2017, 2016. Wow, look at the sky. So amazing. It's so tempting to take a picture. Dude, my headset is just making noise, man. I went in the rain the other day and now it's just creaking. I think I'll post this video on my cycling channel after so many years of silence. Because... Oh, you're taking a photo? Oh, careful.
hello now. And I remember now. Did you must
Camera recording, okay. Dude, the camera is recording. Yeah.
we actually do that?
Dude, one second, let's stop, man. My headset is making too much noise. This makes it go away for a bit.
Okay, your headset. I thought this headset. I forgot about the headset in the cycle. What happened, man?
The rain, since the rain's been doing this.
How did that happen to your headset, man?
Water goes in.
Are you saying it for a mountain bike? Water goes inside?
Yeah, even yours, man. Every headset, whatever bike you buy. Yes, it is sealed, but over time it wears away and the water will get in. It will. I'm not saying rain will kill your bike. Just like give it some maintenance once in a few months and you'll be okay.
That's really hard for me.
Dude, your bike is going to be fine, okay? Don't worry.
Just chain slips.
No, just put WD-40 and put grease. That's all.
I've done that before.
Yeah.
My headset is making damn.
I know. I tried calling the bike store today and no answer.
It's Sunday, man.
Oh yeah.
Or I would have given my bike in the service.
A headset on a Sunday. Wow. You know how long I've dreamed of getting footage like this from my chest. Usually I'd hold it with my hand and just film with one hand for a long time. It really hurts. Oh, I drove here for the learners. Here. I drove here in the learners class. Yeah, many times. Nice. He goes the way we cycle only, like the from the main road, that L.
Because that's where there's no busy road.
Yeah, you want to go right or left?
What's the time?
It's I don't know, maybe 6:30. Maybe. Oh. You're going home? You're going home?
Yep.
Okay, man. Bye. Me too.
Okay, man. Bye.
Bye, man. See you tomorrow. Oh, headset won't shut up. Okay, I just stopped recording.